Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to welcome you to a truly special journey today. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or just passing through for the first time, you're about to unlock a side of JFK Airport that even frequent flyers rarely notice. Get ready to experience JFK like never before. Nestled in the heart of Queens, New York City, JFK Airport is not just one of the busiest airports in the United States, it's a true gateway to the world. With over 60 million passengers passing through its terminals each year, JFK is a crossroads of cultures, stories, and adventures, but beyond the crowds and the constant movement, there's a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Most travelers are laser-focused on catching their next flight, but JFK is actually packed with surprises that can transform your layover into an unforgettable adventure. Did you know there's a lush rooftop garden where you can unwind above the hustle and bustle? Or that you can step back in time inside the beautifully restored TWA Hotel, complete with a 1960s cocktail lounge and even a vintage airplane-turned-cocktail bar. JFK is also home to stunning art installations, from massive murals to interactive exhibits that showcase New York's vibrant culture. You'll find cozy nooks perfect for reading, world-class dining options featuring local flavors, and even secret spots where you can catch a glimpse of the runway action up close. So buckle up and get ready to see JFK in a whole new light. I'll be your guide as we uncover the airport's best-kept secrets, share fascinating facts, and show you how to turn your time here into a memorable experience. Whether you have a quick layover or a few hours to spare, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and start exploring JFK's hidden wonders together. Airports can feel like a maze, especially one as massive and busy as JFK, but tucked away in its terminals, JFK hides some truly amazing spots most travelers walk right past. From peaceful rooftop gardens and quiet lounges, to secret menu items at local restaurants, and even a hidden aviation exhibit filled with fascinating history and rare aircraft displays. I'll show you how to relax, recharge, and have fun during your layover, whether you're traveling solo, with family, or on business. Get ready to uncover the best-kept secrets at JFK. Let's jump in and discover these game-changing finds that will transform your airport experience. First up, let's step back in time at the TWA Hotel Observation Deck, a retro paradise that perfectly blends vintage charm with modern luxury. Located in the heart of JFK Airport, the TWA Hotel is housed in the legendary TWA Flight Center, originally designed by famed architect Eero Saarinen in 1962. This architectural masterpiece was once the crown jewel of mid-century airport design, and today, it's been meticulously restored to its former glory, offering visitors a unique glimpse into the golden age of air travel. The observation deck itself is perched atop the hotel, offering sweeping, panoramic views of JFK's bustling runways. You'll find yourself surrounded by classic mid-century modern design, from the sleek furniture to the authentic TWA memorabilia scattered throughout the lounge. The vibe here is pure nostalgia, with every detail, from the rotary phones to the split-flap departure boards, evoking the glamour and excitement of 1960s jet setting. And the best part? You don't need to be a hotel guest to experience it. The rooftop is open to all, so just head up, soak in the atmosphere, and enjoy the lively energy of travelers coming and going. For an extra treat, take a dip in the hotel's heated infinity pool, the only one in the world with front-row seats to an active airport runway. Aviation enthusiasts will love watching planes take off and land, while everyone can appreciate the stunning city skyline views. As the sun sets, the magic truly begins. The sky glows with vibrant colors, the city skyline twinkles in the distance, and the roar of jet engines creates an unforgettable soundtrack. Grab a drink from the rooftop bar, don't miss their signature TWA cocktails, and watch the planes glide by. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that captures the spirit of adventure. Pro tip: the observation deck is open year-round, but hours may vary, so check ahead before you visit. Don't forget to explore the rest of the hotel, including the restored 1958 Lockheed Constellation Connie airplane-turned-cocktail lounge and the TWA museum exhibits. Whether you're snapping the perfect photo, catching up with friends, or simply unwinding after a long day, the TWA Hotel Observation Deck is a must-see destination for anyone visiting New York. Don't miss your chance to experience this retro runway retreat. Need fresh air? The Terminal 5 rooftop garden is your escape from the airport hustle. Step into a lush space with real grass underfoot, comfy lounge seating, and sweeping views of the New York City skyline. You'll find native plants and flowers, shaded pergolas, and even water features that create a tranquil vibe, perfect for stretching your legs, practicing yoga, or just soaking up some sunshine. Open to all passengers, this hidden park is a must-see for anyone craving a breath of fresh air, a quiet moment, or a unique view you won't find anywhere else in JFK. Don't miss this peaceful oasis above the clouds. Terminal 5's rooftop garden is truly one of JFK's best-kept secrets. Love Mad Men vibes? Step into the Sunken lounge at the TWA Hotel, where classic cool meets modern comfort in the heart of JFK. Designed by legendary architect Eero Saarinen, this lounge is a masterpiece of mid-century modern style, with its iconic sunken seating area and sweeping curves that transport you straight back to the glamorous jet age. Plush red velvet seats invite you to sink in and relax, while floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the runways. Sip on expertly crafted retro cocktails, think martinis and Manhattans, served by bartenders in period attire. The atmosphere is both lively and laid back, perfect for people watching or unwinding before your flight. You don't have to be a hotel guest. Just drop in for a drink, soak up the nostalgia, and watch the world go by. With its blend of timeless design, vintage glamour, and unbeatable runway views, the Sunken Lounge is a true hidden gem at JFK, a slice of classic New York luxury you'll want to revisit every time you fly. JFK is home to a surprising collection of hidden art installations, from vibrant sculptures to massive murals and interactive pieces, all created by renowned New York artists. In Terminal 4, you'll find the breathtaking mural, Flight, by artist Al Loving, whose swirling colors capture the energy of travel and movement. Terminal 5 is home to the playful Jetstream sculptures by Donald Lipsky, whimsical airplane parts transformed into art, telling the story of aviation's evolution. Even if you're rushing to your gate, pause to spot the Mosaic by Jane Dixon in Terminal 8, which celebrates the diversity of New York's neighborhoods. Each piece has its own story, like the interactive light portal in Terminal 1, inviting travelers to step inside and become part of the artwork. Next time you're at JFK, see how many of these hidden gems you can spot. It's like a grown-up scavenger hunt, with a story behind every masterpiece. Aviation fans, make sure to stop by the Aviation Museum exhibit tucked inside Terminal 4. It's a true hidden gem for history lovers. Here, you'll find vintage uniforms from iconic airlines, rare Pan Am memorabilia, and retro travel posters that capture the spirit of air travel's golden age. The exhibit also features detailed model airplanes, interactive displays, and even original flight logbooks, offering a fascinating look at JFK's role in shaping aviation history. Whether you're an aviation buff or just curious, you'll love exploring the stories behind legendary airlines, famous flights, and the evolution of air travel, all before your next departure. Foodies, listen up. If you think you know Shake Shack, think again. At Terminal 4, Shake Shack hides a secret menu that only the savviest travelers know about. First up, ask for the legendary peanut butter bacon burger, juicy beef, crispy bacon, and a creamy peanut butter sauce that's not on the regular menu. Or try the Shack Kago dog, loaded with relish, onions, cucumber, pickles, tomato, sport peppers, celery salt, and mustard. A true Chicago classic, right here in New York. To order, just ask the staff for these secret items. They'll know exactly what you mean, and you might even get a nod of approval. Skip the usual airport fare and treat yourself to a hidden culinary gem that'll make your layover unforgettable. Need to recharge before your flight? XpresSpa is your airport oasis, offering a wide range of treatments to help you unwind. Choose from relaxing massages, rejuvenating facials, manicures, pedicures, and even quick neck and shoulder treatments, perfect for travelers on the go. Prices start around $25 for express services, with full treatments ranging from $50 to $120 depending on your choice and duration. For the best experience, book ahead online or check for walk-in availability, especially during peak travel times. Don't forget to hydrate after your treatment and allow yourself a few extra minutes to truly relax. Treat yourself, your body and mood will thank you. Searching for a quiet place to charge your phone or laptop at JFK? JFK has tucked-away charging lounges that most travelers miss, perfect for escaping the hustle and powering up in peace. One of the best spots is near the Terminal 2 gates, where you'll find a dedicated lounge with plenty of charging ports, USB outlets, and even a few workstations. For even more comfort, head to the far end of Terminal 8. Here, you'll discover cozy seating, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a peaceful atmosphere. Ideal for catching up on emails or just relaxing while your devices recharge. These hidden lounges are a lifesaver for long layovers or unexpected delays. Power up, unwind, and maybe even catch up on your favorite travel vlogs before your next flight. If you're searching for the ultimate plane spotting experience at JFK, make your way to Terminal 4 by Gate B23. Here, massive floor-to-ceiling windows give you an unbeatable, up-close view of the runways, ideal for snapping photos or simply watching the constant parade of aircraft. For the best photos, visit during the late afternoon or early evening when the lighting is perfect and the golden hour makes every shot pop. Bring binoculars or a zoom lens for even more detail, and keep an eye out for rare international jets. This spot is a favorite among aviation fans for a reason. Even if you're not a hardcore aviation buff, it's a mesmerizing and relaxing way to pass the time, making Terminal 4's Gate B23 a true hidden gem at JFK. If you've ever faced a long layover, you know how important it is to be prepared. Here are my top 5 must-have products to make your airport experience as comfortable and stress-free as possible. For each item, I'll mention a specific model, highlight its best features, and you can click the link on the screen to buy it. First up is the Cabot Evolution S3 Travel Pillow. This isn't your average neck pillow. It features high-grade memory foam that molds perfectly to your neck, providing 360-degree support. The adjustable straps keep it in place, so you won't wake up with a sore neck or find it slipping off mid-nap. It even has a compact travel bag that compresses the pillow to half its size, making it easy to pack. Click the link on the screen to buy the Cabot Evolution S3 and upgrade your travel comfort. Next, the Sony WH-1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for any traveler. These headphones offer industry-leading noise cancellation, so you can block out airport chatter, crying babies, and loud announcements. With up to 30 hours of battery life, touch controls, and a lightweight, comfortable fit, you'll enjoy your music, podcasts, or movies in peace. Click the link on the screen to buy the Sony WH-1000XM5 and create your own peaceful bubble, no matter how crowded the terminal gets. Don't forget the Anker PowerCore 1000 portable charger. This compact powerhouse can charge most smartphones up to 3 times on a single charge, and it's small enough to fit in your pocket or bag. It features high-speed charging technology so you won't be tethered to a wall outlet for long. Whether you need your phone for entertainment, navigation, or staying in touch, this charger has you covered. Click the link on the screen to buy the Anker PowerCore 1000 and keep your devices powered up. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during long waits and flights. The Hydro Flask Standard Mouth reusable water bottle is made from stainless steel and features double-wall vacuum insulation, keeping your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. It's leak-proof, easy to clean, and fits perfectly in most cup holders and backpack pockets. Plus, you'll save money and reduce plastic waste. Click the link on the screen to buy the Hydro Flask and stay refreshed throughout your journey. Finally, the Alaska Bear Natural Silk Sleep Mask is a must for catching some much-needed rest, even in the brightest, busiest terminals. Made from 100% natural mulberry silk, it's ultra-soft, breathable, and gentle on your skin. The adjustable strap ensures a perfect fit without tangling your hair or feeling too tight. It blocks out light completely, helping you tune out distractions and recharge before your next flight. Click the link on the screen to buy the Alaska Bear Sleep Mask and experience true relaxation. With these 5 essentials in your carry-on, the Cabot Evolution S3 Travel Pillow, Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, Anker PowerCore 1000 charger, Hydro Flask water bottle, and Alaska Bear Silk Sleep Mask, you'll breeze through any layover feeling refreshed, organized, and ready for your next adventure. Travel smart, and make every journey more enjoyable. And don't forget, you can click the links on the screen to buy each of these must-have products. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through JFK's hidden gems. From secret lounges and cozy nooks, to mouth-watering local eats and art installations you might have missed, JFK is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. We hope these highlights inspire you to turn your next layover into an adventure. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through, there's always something new to explore at JFK. If you enjoyed this tour, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel hacks and hidden gems. Safe travels, and see you on your next adventure.
Know you've been a good friend.
Thanks for joining me on this journey through JFK's hidden gems. I hope you discovered a few surprises to make your next trip even more memorable. Remember, airports can be destinations if you know where to look. Take time to explore, try something new, and don't forget to pack a little curiosity along with your essentials. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and hidden gems from around the world. Your next adventure could be just a click away. Share your favorite airport discoveries in the comments below, and let me know what destinations you'd like to see next. Keep exploring, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.